Hi everyone, I hope you are doing very good. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can develop theories to explain the within group and between group differences using code document table in ATLAS.ti. So let me open this project. Alright, in this project, I have 10 documents. I have 4 codes: innovation, leadership skills, management skills, and teamwork. I have 2 document groups, female group and male group. Basically, the data that have been collected from the female participants have been categorized in this group, and the data that have been collected from the male participants have been categorized in this second group. I also have 2 code groups, theme 1 and theme 2. Alright. Now to open code document table, let me click on analyze and then code document table. Alright, this is the window for code document table. It has 6 panels. In these 2 panels, you could see the code groups and codes in the project. And here in these 2, you could see the document groups and the documents. Also here is where the code document table is displayed, and here you will see the quotations. Now let's create the code document table by selecting these 2 document groups and these codes. Alright, this is the code document table, which is basically a cross tabulation of codes or code groups with documents or document groups. In this example, I have just selected document groups and codes. So I was not interested in code groups or documents to be displayed in this code document table. And if I click on any of these cells, the quotations are displayed in this panel. So these are the quotations that are displayed when you select on any of the cells. So here we have 4 quotations. So the quotations are displayed here. Here we have 3. You could see the quotations here. Quotation 6.1, 8, 47, and quotation 12.1. So this tool is very useful because it can help us make comparisons between documents or document groups in terms of codes or code groups based on the number of the quotations that are displayed here. So here we have 2 groups, female group and male group, and in each group, in each document group, in fact, we have 5 documents. And also note that the total number of quotations within the documents in this document group is 54, and here the total number of quotations within these 5 documents in this document group is 51. Also in each row we have the codes and the number of the quotations coded by these codes. So in this project we have 27 quotations coded with innovation, 69 quotations coded with leadership skills, 74 quotations coded with management skills, and 7 quotations coded with teamwork. Okay, now I would like to make between group comparisons. So let me just select this option, row relative frequencies, so that the percentages are displayed here. Okay, here we have female group and here we have male group, and basically you could see that based on these statistics, the female participants have talked more about innovation comparing with the participants in the male group. So what you can conclude here is that perhaps the concept of innovation is more important for the female participants rather than male participants. Or as another example, look at here. The number of the quotations coded by teamwork here for female group is 3 and for the male group is 4. It means that the concept of teamwork has been of equal importance for both participants in female group and male group. So basically you can conclude that there may not be a difference between female participants and male participants in terms of teamwork. So it was a between group comparison. The other possibility is that you can make within group comparisons. So let me just deselect this option, and this time I select column relative frequencies. Okay, for example, focusing on female group, the number of quotations coded by the innovation and the number of the quotations coded by teamwork, so this value and this value, may suggest that innovation may be a more important concept for women participants. Also, these two values, this 144 for the quotations coded by leadership skills and 45 for the quotations coded by management skills, may suggest that female participants consider these two as equally important skills. So in case in your research that is guided by the principles of grounded theory design, you are trying to develop a theory to explain the within group or between group differences, this table should be your tool to analyze your data. Now let's have a look at the other features that we have in this ribbon. If documents in your project are of unequal length or document groups are of unequal size, you can normalize the data by selecting this option. And what happens is that the number of quotations per documents or document groups that are selected for the table are adjusted. So I didn't select this option since the number of quotations in both groups were almost identical in this example. So I just deselect this. The other related option is the binarize option. And when you select this option, values of 1 or greater than 1 in the table are represented by bullets, and the values of 0 will be represented by empty cells. Also note that when you export the table to Excel, the bullets will be ones and the cells will be zeros in the Excel file. So again, I just deselect this option. Another important point is that you can switch between these two options. So when count codings is selected, cells display the number of quotations coded by each selected code or by the codes in a selected code group. And when you click on count words, the cells display the number of words contained in quotations of the selected codes or the selected code groups. All right. Also note that you can simply export the quotations using this option to an Excel file. So you just need to click on any of these cells and then click on this Excel export. You can also export the entire table to an Excel file using this option. Okay, that's it. I hope you liked this video and thanks for watching.